What's going on, guys? It's your boy West Vlogs, back on the vlogs. So today we're here at Wasabi Bistro. We got the Supra out here. So I actually want to make a short video to see what mods do you think I should put on the Supra. Should I big turbo? Should I wide body? Like, I actually want you guys to comment below or on my Instagram what mods do you think would be fitting to the Supra. Man, these allergies are killing me. Oh. Ooh. Woo! Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't heard yesterday, or I think it was like 2 days ago, I don't remember. What happened was, like, I was wearing my Gucci glasses, right? And I'm taking these rollers, right, for Danny. And then I put my head out the window and the wind goes whoop, takes my glasses. $600 Gucci glasses, RIP. But yeah, it's okay. I guess some new shades. So yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? You know, make carbon hood vents or make a crazy lip with side skirt and diffuser and put a wing on it. It's hard, you know, to kind of decide what to do with the car, because for me right now it's just a good daily, but I don't know if I should turn it into anything more than that. You know, I can go big turbo, which would make it like a full-on drag car, you know, like 850 horsepower. Or I can wide body and just be like, yo, this is hella cool, you know, be the only wide body Supra in the Bay Area. So actually yesterday, right, I was actually driving Danny's S2000 big turbo. The tire setup is like completely wrong right now. It's not even the correct tires and wheel for the wide body. But I drove it and I was on the bridge, so windy on the bridge, right? I gassed that thing so hard and it's like, ee! And they were like, oh damn bro, that was sick. But I was like, bro, it was like a roller coaster, but like an unpredictable one, you know? But yeah, what do you guys think we should do with the Supra? I really want to hear you guys' opinion for the Supra. You know, what do you think? Sticker bomb it? Sticker bomb? You know, sticker bomb the whole thing. JDM AF, bro. Oh, that pearl white be hitting good in the sun. Yeah guys, I actually wanted to show you something here. This is the price for everything I need for, I think, 750 or 800 wheel. Yeah guys, not cheap, right? Alright guys, we got the Supra here. We are at California Diversified. Gonna look at a motorcycle, CBR 1000 RR. Let's get it, guys. Okay guys, here is the bike. This is 25th anniversary CBR 1000 RR. What do you guys think? Perfect.
Do your thing, and then I'll probably be done with her by the time you get back.
Oh. Hi.
Chapo, this is a big love.
Oh, nice cat.
He adopted me, probably.
Alright guys, so y'all want to know why I've been busy all day, and I'm gonna show you guys why right now. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Here it is, guys. 2017 CBR 1000 RR. I was riding this thing earlier. Holy crap, guys, this is freaking fast. 25th anniversary Honda RR. This is the first RR that I've had. I had F4i 600 and I had an R1 before, but I'm just getting back into riding now, guys. Like, it's a really sick bike. Like, honestly, like Supra, this BMW I bought, let's see, it's pretty sick. Like, I was hoping to honestly like buy R1, but this like was such a good deal. I couldn't pass up on it. I couldn't pass up on the deal. So yeah, guys, 2017 super clean CBR 1000 RR 25th anniversary edition. Hell yeah, guys. One bad thing about this bike, well, most of the new bikes have this issue. Like, the bike doesn't have fuel gauge. So the only way to know that the bike is like low on fuel is actually when you're low on fuel, the bike will have a fuel light come on indicating how much range you can cover still. And yeah, that's basically what it is. It's really fast though. Like, this thing can clutch up in 6th gear, but only in Mexico, guys, only in Mexico. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a review on my 2017 CBR 1000 RR. I'm about to buy like a GoPro mount and stuff. Please don't like say no. No, you don't want a review. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is Wes Vlogs signing out. Peace out, guys.